Let's dive right into this explainer. I want you to start by just, well, imagining a universe where every single electron could occupy the exact same place at the exact same time. What would happen? Honestly, it's pretty bleak. Atoms would instantaneously collapse. Chemistry as we know it would entirely disappear. Stars would never shine, planets wouldn't exist, and frankly, neither would you or I. Poof, gone. It's a pretty terrifying thought, right? But obviously, looking around, that's not our reality.
So if everything inherently wants to collapse, what's the invisible law keeping matter stable? What's preventing our whole universe from just collapsing into absolute chaos? Well, it all comes down to the hero of our cosmic mystery, a simple, beautifully elegant quantum rule called the Pauli Exclusion Principle. It is, without a doubt, one of the most absolutely crucial ideas in all of quantum physics. It literally shapes every atom, every molecule, every star, and every living thing. Let's break down exactly how it does this.
Section 1. Inside every atom, the fundamental question of subatomic space.
To really get this, we need to zoom way, way down into the microscopic world. Everything around us is made of atoms, right? And they've got this tiny central nucleus surrounded by electrons that exist in these fuzzy probability regions we call orbitals. Which actually brings up a massive critical question. The nucleus is positively charged, and electrons are negatively charged. And as we all know, opposites attract. So if electrons are so deeply attracted to the nucleus, why don't they all just crowd together and collapse into the absolute lowest energy orbital, the one sitting right next to that positive nucleus? Why do they stay spaced out? That exact mystery is what we're going to figure out today.
Section 2. Wolfgang Pauli, the discovery that changed quantum physics.
And that brings us to Wolfgang Pauli. Back in 1925, this brilliant Austrian physicist discovered a principle that literally won him the Nobel Prize. He looked at all this chaos in the atomic world and found the underlying order. His Pauli Exclusion Principle states, no two identical fermions can occupy the same quantum state at the same time. Now, at first glance, this rule seems pretty simple, deceptively simple even. It's just one sentence. But as you'll see, this single, simple constraint secretly dictates the entire structure of reality, starting right with the periodic table.
Section 3. The unique quantum address, defining a quantum state.
To truly grasp how this works, we need to know what Pauli actually meant by a quantum state. Inside an atom, every single electron has its own totally unique specific address, and it's made up of 4 distinct quantum numbers. You have the principal quantum number, the orbital angular momentum, the magnetic quantum number, and finally the spin quantum number. You can think of these 4 numbers just like a cosmic zip code, a street name, a building number, and an apartment number. The Pauli Exclusion Principle basically says that while 2 electrons might share 3 of these numbers, like sure, they can live on the same street and in the same building, they can never ever share all 4 simultaneously. Their complete address has to be totally unique.
So here's the really crucial takeaway from that, because the first 3 numbers define the physical space of the orbital. That leaves only the 4th number, the spin, to be different. And spin only has 2 options, up or down. That's it. Therefore, if one electron in an orbital has spin up, the second electron moving into that same exact space must have spin down. Because of this strict requirement, every single atomic orbital can hold a maximum of exactly 2 electrons. No way around it.
Section 4. The hotel analogy, visualizing electron behavior.
If quantum numbers are feeling a bit abstract, let's translate this into something we experience every day. Imagine a massive, towering hotel with millions of identical rooms. Step 1. Each room strictly allows only 2 guests. Step 2. Those 2 guests must have opposite spins, one up, one down. And just like a really strict hotel manager, the universe allows absolutely no exceptions for a 3rd guest squeezing in on a cot. Step 3. Once all the rooms on a lower floor are entirely full, any new guests checking in have absolutely no choice but to move up to the higher, more energetic floors. Well, electrons behave in the exact same way. They fill the lowest energy orbitals first, taking only 2 guests with opposite spins, and when those are totally full, they're forced to move up into higher energy orbitals.
Section 5. The periodic table explained, built by the Pauli Exclusion Principle.
When we apply that hotel rule, the entire periodic table just comes to life. Hydrogen has 1 electron. Helium has 2, completely filling that first orbital. When we get to lithium's 3rd electron, it's locked out. It's forced into a higher energy level. As more and more electrons are added for heavier elements, these completely unique electron arrangements begin to emerge. And these arrangements dictate the whole shebang on a macro scale: chemical properties, atomic size, reactivity, and bond formation. If Pauli's rule didn't force electrons into these specific configurations, all electrons would just pile up at the bottom. Chemistry, molecular bonds, and the periodic table itself just wouldn't exist.
Section 6. Holding up the stars. Quantum pressure versus gravity.
But you know, this principle doesn't just stop at the microscopic level. It actually scales up dramatically to battle the crushing weight of entire suns. When a star reaches the end of its life and becomes a white dwarf, its gravity tries to crush all its matter together. But the electrons are squeezed so tightly that Pauli's rule kicks in. They simply cannot occupy the same state. Their resistance creates this massive outward force called electron degeneracy pressure, which literally pushes back against gravity to support the star. And in even denser neutron stars, an analogous effect involving neutrons does the exact same thing to avoid a total collapse. Without this quantum rule, these stars would just immediately collapse into black holes.
Section 7. Everyday life depends on it. Matter exists because of quantum rules.
So we've gone from the tiniest atoms all the way up to the largest stars, but let's bring it right back down to Earth for a second. Everything around you, from the DNA in your cells to water molecules to the computer screen you're looking at right now, relies entirely on this unseen stability. The reason you don't fall right through the chair you're sitting on isn't just because it's quote-unquote solid, it's because the electrons in your body and the electrons in the chair absolutely refuse to occupy the same quantum state. They push against each other. The physical resistance of solids, the stuff that gives matter its size and its strength, is a direct, everyday experience of the Pauli Exclusion Principle in action.
Section 8. Fermions versus bosons. Not every particle follows the rules.
Now here is a really fascinating plot twist for you. The universe actually has a loophole. Let's compare two categories of particles. On one side, we have fermions. These are the particles that make up everyday matter, things like electrons, protons, neutrons, and quarks. They strictly obey the Pauli Exclusion Principle. But on the other side, we have bosons. Particles like photons, which are particles of light, completely ignore this rule. Because bosons don't care about exclusion, millions of them can just happily crowd into the exact same quantum state at the exact same time. This weird, rule-breaking behavior is exactly what enables incredible technologies like lasers or extreme states of matter like Bose-Einstein condensates.
Section 9. The architect of the universe. Keeping reality together.
So, to summarize everything we've uncovered today, Wolfgang Pauli found this quiet, invisible architect that builds atoms, supports dead stars, and provides the fundamental stability for life to even exist. As the saying goes, hidden inside every atom is a quantum rule keeping reality together. Without it, our entire universe would just collapse into nothingness. So the next time you rest your weight on a chair or lean against a wall, ask yourself, if a single invisible rule can hold up a dying star and keep you from falling through the floor, what other hidden quantum laws